So we don't have a physical textbook for our statistics course. Again, if you would like a physical textbook, I'd be happy to work with you to try to find one. But you have access to an ebook. So before you feel like you need to go buy a book, I'd like to walk you through how to access the ebook and suggest that you try that. So the first thing you're going to do is log into MathXL. Enter your username and password. Once we enter MathXL, let me get to our correct course. Once we are in the correct course, what we're going to do is we are going to click on Homework and Tests. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will find a link that says Textbook Sections. When you click on this, it has all of the textbook sections for our course. Note that the section numbers correspond to the section numbers in Moodle. So when we are in week 1, you'll see that we are doing 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5. So when you are in the textbook sections, the ones that correspond are these ones right here. When you click on them, it's going to open up a link. And it should load into pages of the textbook. Now I want to encourage you to make sure you watch our videos on Moodle before you go to the textbook. There's sometimes where the textbook diverges from the way that we teach this stuff, specifically when you get into chapter 3 of the course. We use technology to compute a lot of the stuff that the textbook will show you how to do by hand. So make sure when you are working, go to Moodle and make sure you're looking through our notes first, and then if you feel like you need some extra stuff, then you can go to the textbook sections.